Okay, here's another lock. Bronco 20mm brass padlock, one piece. Warning, has brass in it. There you go. Let's get into this thing. Here. Huh. Well, looks like we got a little bit of cool bitting in there. Well, let's just see here. Let's use a really small tension wrench. Yeah, there's a little bit of tension there. Doesn't allow me just to use the tension wrench only, so let's see what happens. I don't know if I can get a pick in here. Well, here, let's... Well, I can... Try to find a different tension wrench. I don't really want to have a bunch of tension wrench in there so I can actually pick it though. Maybe that's the trick. Yeah, I don't... Maybe it's secure for me because it's so small. Oh, I got it. I almost couldn't get it because of the tension. I mean, because it was so small. Okay, let's see if it even works. Oh, yeah, it works, pops up. Only one way. Huh. Cool. It's kind of crunchy. That's weird. Maybe they didn't clean it well. Maybe we can help this lock better by lubricating it. Only has one teeny little locking pawl. I mean, look how much metal they didn't even use that much metal. I mean, it's cool. Oh, there's some feedback for me. All right. Okay, here we go. I think now it works better. Cold door. Huh. Alright. Well, one cold door lock. Get into it, but I gotta use the smallest things I got. Thanks for watching.